What fear is stopping you in your tracks and burning the soles of your feet? What if conquering that fear, whatever it is that keeps you from being what the Creator intended for you? What if you could unleash everything great in your life? Would you do it? Would you say yes to that?
You will receive from the world who you become. But the doorway to success, I suggest.
You know, so many of you start carrying a tripod. Because I have a tripod where you put the camera on so that your hand stays steady. Oftentimes I'm gonna use that. Anyways, I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I want them. Gang. Yo, on the ramp with me, you know. Subscribe. Anyways, guys, I wanted to come on this morning and speak briefly about something that I saw yesterday. Not yesterday. I think if not yesterday, I did before. In a young man, that quality is so great. I'm not even a young man. I was just in the taxi and I saw what he did, and I must commend him. I don't know his name, I never seen him before or nothing, but that goes to show that good guys are still out there, and these are the little qualities that you look at to really, you know, your balances to see some of the qualities there in your person. You understand? So I was in a taxi and the taxi stopped at a bus stop, and there were two persons at the bus stop. There was two persons at the bus stop, right? A lady and a young man, a very young guy. But the young guy apparently was there way before the lady. So upon the young man opened the car door, but then he asked the lady, "Do you want to go ahead, miss?" I say, that quality though. And he had the lady go ahead, and he was still at the bus stop because the taxi only could take one person, and that's what he did. So big up yourself, young man. Big up yourself. Great quality. So young ladies, when you look for young man, good man, look for little qualities like them there. Them little something that make us stand out. Yo, you're done with the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I want it. Them. Yes, guys, we're on our way to church. Melica, that glow though. Yes. I don't know. Queen Punky. Queen Skylife. Tell me how you deal today.
Yes, sir, you did talk.
She's not in the talking mode, you know. We're on our way to church right now. We're running a bit late. Yeah, a bit. After I walk a shortcut, we walk a common. After I'm going to the countryside. I don't know when I'm gonna reach after that. The countryside, maybe I'm reach a Negril. You know that man that already. I'm gonna look for my dad and stuff. So that's basically what we're doing today. What I'm doing today. Punky, now come with me. The area Peruvian. Wow, we have sitting on it. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know Peruvian curly sitting. But I like it. Soft and nice, good texture. And thing. Yeah, man, you feel good stuff. Big up Tatiana. She's that girl from Jamaica. She's trying to celebrate. She's shell you too. So she got a lot of haters, that girl. She not really cater. She said, when girl, good, see you later. I always like a little song there. And things. So, yeah, guys, that is what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing now. And so, what you gang? I'll pray for you guys that everything works together for y'all's good. But I gotta focus now because I gotta be at church. Later. Church over a long time. I'm by the country now. Sun hot. By the country now. Go and chillax. Hunting. I would show you the view, but breadfruit tree block me right now. I know where I live in the country. It's a nice view. I'm looking right at the beach right now. In the nighttime I can see the ship passing, so it's a pretty cool view right here. It's in Hanover. So guys, if you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. Also add me on Instagram. I'm not too deep on Snapchat like that these days because Snapchat too complicated for my head right now. So add me on Instagram so you guys can contact me there in case I'm doing a Q&A or anything, which is coming soon. So add me up on Insta and a bag of things. So I'll see you later. Guys, what up? I don't know, your girl back at it again in the building. Yo, what a them. Guys, I didn't get to come back to you yesterday because I had such a long day. I didn't get to continue vlogging because I was doing so much stuff. But today is Monday. I'm at work. I'm about to go for lunch now. So that's what happened yesterday. I will talk to you guys later on today, hopefully, if I'm not busy and stuff. So later.
Realize what me I do wrong, and me need to start take some people from around me, deal with me think on a different level, and just be me, and just ready for the world. And that me I do right now. Some people they around me, them no need to they around me. Some people who are call my phone, you don't need to call my phone. That's why I'm going to change my number. You're too